Hello everybody, I am Mehmet. I am one of the founders of this YouTube channel, Uzman Excel. I'm managing this channel with my brother Mert. Today we are going to focus on how we can do arbitrage at Excel from multiple exchanges. So I have a program for that. Today I would like to talk to you about the features of this program. So let's start. First, we open this Excel file. It's already prepared for you. So you have to give permissions to use this file. And once you give the permissions, you will be requested to enter your username. So I'm giving my name and this is password screen. So I will write my surname for this, and this file will be connected to your computer, so it's licensed basically. So it's automatically closed. So let's open this file again. So it will check the license of this file, and if it will be licensed, then you can use this file. So this is my license mechanism for my Excel programs. So we are waiting for the file to check its license. Once it's finished, I will talk to you about the features of this file. So let's wait a little bit more. Okay, my license is approved, so we can start. So it's basically an Excel file with Arbitrage V2 version 2 ribbon, and we have two buttons: start arbitrage and finish arbitrage. This is the Turkish version. So if you purchase this Excel file, you will get an English version of this Excel file. We have some notes. Let me explain these notes to you. The first one: only the coin pairs which include USDT pair can be used in this file. So this file will only work at Windows PCs. So Mac users, I'm sorry for you guys. So it will work only spot markets, and this is a special note. Gate.io exchange is the slowest one of all because we have six exchanges at here, and the how can I say that, when we approve this exchange, so it will be used in our Excel file. So it will execute this market for us. So if we choose all of them, then it will slow down the program. And the optimum coin pair count is very important, because more you select the coins, more you slow the program basically. And if you have other Excel files which is opened at the same time this Excel file is running, so the other ones will affect this program's speed. So let's proceed more. We have some coin pairs at here. I got them from Binance. So it is all the USDT pairs at Binance. Binance will give us some API connection to provide this kind of information. So let's check how many coin pairs we have. 439 coin pairs. So this is basically unnecessary, because it is not easy to use arbitrage for Bitcoin, for example, because this is the biggest one. So the arbitrage is not so easy. It will be regulated by all the exchanges simultaneously. So the main way to use this software is first you have to find your coin pairs. Let's say 10 or 20. These coin pairs has to be some volume, also has to have some volatility in order to use some arbitrage, because volatility is the key object for us. Some exchanges cannot react simultaneously, some exchanges can react simultaneously. So there will be a difference. The difference is arbitrage. But let's consider all of them as our coin pairs, and we can activate the exchanges that we can apply arbitrage. Let's say Binance and Paribu. Paribu is a Turkish exchange market for us. So I would like to see Binance as yellow interior color and black font color, and Paribu will be green interior and white font color, because this is the colors of Paribu emblem. So at this section we will adjust the scheduling time. For example, the program will check the arbitrage on these exchanges, and after 5 seconds it will check again. After 5 seconds it will check again. And at this moment I would like to inform you one thing. This program is not included with robot, so it's a support decision program. It will show you the coin pairs on multiple exchanges that you can arbitrage on them, but it will not operate the arbitrage interaction for you. So you will do it manually. And so let's start arbitrage. It says, do you want to take the arbitrage? Yes, we would like to. And started data extraction, Binance and Paribu. Let's pause this at this moment and check. For example, ADA USD. Let's open our Google browser, Binance, ADA USD, Paribu. Let's check this number with our program. So it is very close, because it's same basically. Let's check Paribu. This is the Turkish version. So the program will automatically calculate the Turkish lira and USDT conversion for you. Let's dig a little bit more. Deactivate Paribu and activate MAXC. So this market will be blue, and this one, let's clear this one. Okay, so the program will now check two markets for these coin pairs and try to find some arbitrage for us. Let's USDT MXC. Let's prepare in advance. Okay, I hope a Cardano will be listed at here. Okay, we are waiting. Check the arbitrage. Okay, then pause at this moment. Let's check. Oh, there will be lots of. Okay. MXC 38, 36, 38, 36, 38, 40, 38, 42. So it's changed 42, 42, 40, 42, 40. So basically, these are the numbers. There is not too much arbitrage at Cardano, but I will show you. Actually, I'm showing you right now the program is working. This one, for example, this is a really good one. FIDA. Let's check this one. FIDA. USDT 4074. Yes, let's check MXCG. This number, yes, so we have 2.5% arbitrage opportunity at this coin at the moment right now. So it is really good, really good. But right now I'm explaining you my strategy without giving you any recommendations because it's not legal, but I'm explaining you my strategy, how I am doing arbitrage on multiple exchanges. So let's say this coin, we have 50 at here, 50 at here. Also we have $100 at here, $100 at here. So what I will do at this moment, sell from Binance and buy from MAXC. So the difference will not be profit. The difference is not profit right now, but when we transfer all the money and all the coins separately to these two exchanges, in the end, eventually we have the difference of this coin at these exchanges. So this is basically an arbitrage, and this is a really good ratio. And what is the risk at this scenario? You will get the market risk. For example, if this coin will go down, then you lose money. But if this coin will go up, then you will earn money and you will get arbitrage money from this difference. So this is like this is an exchange arbitrage basically, because it's not possible to sell from here, buy from here, transfer here and sell from here. This is not possible. If somebody say you something like this, this is not possible, guys. So my way of trading, my way of arbitrage trading is like this: buy at here, sell at here, and in the end transfer half of them to here, half of them to here, and the difference of these prices will be my arbitrage money. So as you see, guys, the program is finding arbitrage opportunities for you, and the only thing you will do is some mouse clicks, and I hope so you will get some money. And if you want to purchase this program, I will write my WhatsApp number to right corner of the screen, and you can write from WhatsApp and you can purchase this program with the Excel abilities, because it is very easy to use, it is very easy to apply, and it is basically an Excel file, so you will do it lots of things with another sheet set here. You can add or delete. So this is the file, guys, and this is my first English video. I hope we will get back in soon. Take care, guys.